On the occasion of Republic Day, the Tamil Nadu government honored AltNews co-founder Mohammed Zubair with the 2024 Kottai Ameer Communal Harmony Award for his role in debunking misinformation and maintaining communal harmony. The award carries a cash prize of 25,000 rupees, a medal, and a certificate. Zubair is from the Krishnagiri district in Tamil Nadu. Earlier in March, Zubair had busted the fake news regarding alleged attacks on Hindi-speaking migrant labourers in Tamil Nadu. AltNews had fact-checked and pointed out that the circulated videos were not even in fact from Tamil Nadu. In doing so, AltNews took action to prevent violence stemming from caste, religion, race, and language issues in the state. Zubair on social media platform X said that he is overwhelmed by the award. On the other hand, Zubair is currently facing 6 cases in Uttar Pradesh and 1 case in Delhi, all related to accusations of inciting animosity between different groups and causing offence to religious sentiments.
Thank the Tamil Nadu government and the police department, everybody for recognizing my work, what we did during the 2013 March unfortunate incidents wherein there were a lot of rumors about people getting killed and Bihari migrant workers getting killed in Tamil Nadu. And there were allegations against Tamilians here across India, saying people here in Tamil Nadu are mercilessly beating up people who come to work here. But unfortunately, this fake news traveled across India, but luckily we and many others have gathered videos wherein we could make out the videos were not from Tamil Nadu, they were unrelated videos from across India. So I thank the government for recognizing what we did.